So last time we discussed about form concept in HTML5. Okay, how to create form as well as how to add elements, how to add drop down list, text area tag, means multiple line text box. Fine. And today we are going to discuss a few examples. Okay, source code, and another side there is a output. Okay, program number 6 and output 6. Okay, so in that output, first of all we have to check output. Use of form, enter your name, enter your standard, choose your optional subjects. This is the doc type declaration, HTML tag, head tag, title, and in that title tag form with input elements. So here form with input element is what? It's just a document title which displays on browser's title bar. कुठे दिसणार आहे, अपियर कुठे होणार आहे? एखाद्या ब्राउझरच्या टॉप साइडला एक एरिया असो. This area is called as a title bar. Okay, it shows title of document, title tag close, head tag close. So this is a fixed structure, there is no change. So I already created one structure in it. Okay, so this is the structure. See, this is the structure, and inside it I'm going to add this form with input elements. Okay, form with input, you can write anything inside it. Okay, form with input elements or program number 6. Fine. Now inside body tag I'm going to add form element, right? But there is a one text, that is use of form. Okay, so how to write use of form? It displays in bigger size. I'm going to add h1. Okay, inside body tag, h1 tag, then use of form. Fine, close h1, and after that I'm going to add form tag. Form name is equal to f1. Okay, form is a pair type of tag, so that's why I'm going to close it. There is a name text field. Okay, enter your standard. Okay, so I'm going to add a colon. Here also I want to add a colon. Okay, and now after that there is a circle. Type is equal to radio, radio. Name is equal to r1, radio 1. Value equals to 11th. Okay, you can write 11 only, and after that I'm going to add 11th. Okay, SUP tag is required. Why? Because we need to apply superscript effect to the th. So how to use before th? Okay, SUP open and SUP close. Fine. Use another radio button, another line, and next part is what? Choose your optional subjects. Okay, optional subjects. Fine. Now checkbox is there. How to write code for checkbox? Okay, tag name is perfect. Input tag. Which subject is there? Hindi. So apply Hindi, and outside of that box I'll also add Hindi. Sorry, br tag, and copy same, paste over there. Okay, IT subject. Okay, now there's a submit button. Input type equals to submit. Okay, name equal to submit. You can put same value for all attributes. Submit. Fine. Submit tag is ready, so our form is also ready. Okay, in destination folder. Okay, information technology, and now inside it there is the 11 class inside it. Fine. Now I have to go folder, and this is the form. Okay, let me open it on Google Chrome. What happened with first line? Input Oh, there's one mistake. See, I forgot to complete angle bracket. Okay, save, refresh, then displays, enter your name and details. Absolutely right. BG color is missing. Where exactly? At body tag. Okay, inside body tag, I'm going to add one BG color attribute. Okay, sorry, equals to which color is there? Orange color is there. Orange. Fine. Now it displays exact output. See. Now let's move to the another program, and that is program number 7. See, in that program, just discuss करूया आपण हा program. There is a doc type declaration, HTML tag, head tag, title, and now form elements and text area. Title is there, title tag close, head tag close, body, BG color is equal to sign, and text is equal to red. Now there is another attribute. Attribute name is text. So it is used to apply foreground color. Okay, foreground means text color. If I use text is equal to red, then displays what? Text color is into red. Okay, instead of red, if I use white, then displays white color text. Use of form elements, form method, post. Okay, and action is equal to data.php. Now here action having there is one value. Value means file name. The file name is data.php. Now here .ph is what? .php is it's a server side technology. .php is a extension, nothing else. सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की डॉट आणि पुढे जे कॅरेक्टर असेल त्याला जनरली आपण काय म्हणतो टेक्निकली इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ एक्सटेन्शन. So exact file name is what? Data.php. PHP is a programming language, a server side programming language I think. Okay, displays various type of options in it. Okay, and enter your address. See, address we require text area tag. Text area is a pair type of tag, so that's why I'm going to add text area. कसा ॲड केला आहे दिसतोय तुम्हाला? सिलेक्ट इज ऑल्सो पेअर टाइप ऑफ टॅग, त्यामुळे सिलेक्ट ओपन सिलेक्ट क्लोज असं आपण यूज केलेलं आहे. फाईन. नाव इन टेक्स्ट एरिया opening tag there are of attributes name, rows, calls, and placeholder. Okay, one more is there required. Okay, so now total there are 5 number attributes. See again, this is the first attribute, right? Name. Now another attribute is rows, next calls, next placeholder, next required. Is there any difficulty? Okay, टेबलचा यूज करून आपण काय करूया, हा सेम फॉर्म बघूया. इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी और मॅन्डेटरी टू एव्हरीवन टू ॲड टेबल कन्सेप्ट. ओके, बट हाऊ टू यूज टेबल इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सी, टेबल माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना. टेबल इज हॅव स्ट्रक्चर TR, then TD tag, fine, and now TD close, and then what? TR close. So this is a fixed structure. Enter your name and colon. ह्याला काय करतोय, कट करतो आणि मी ह्यामध्ये काय केलं, पेस्ट केलं. फाइन. This is a first cell. Okay, and this is a another cell. This one is another cell. Fine. And TR close. Okay, रो कंप्लीट झाला ना, मग BR ची गरजच नाही आहे. रो कंप्लीट होतोय. नेक्स्ट रो स्टार्ट करायचा आहे. TR ओपन, then TD open. Inside that there is a enter your standard, then TD close. Fine, TD close. बघा खूप इझी आहे अंडरस्टँडिंग साठी. TD open, close TD tag. Fine, and after that I'm going to close TR also. Okay, this is the first cell and this is what? Another cell, second cell. Okay, and now next row I'm going to add another row using TR, and then we require TD tag. After that choose your optional subject. Okay, I just want to add TD. Okay, and here also I want TD tag, and inside it there are different type of checkboxes. Fine. Now here after adding all type of checkboxes I'm going to close TD. Okay, I'm going to close TD and TR also. See, choose this, choose your optional subject. This is a first cell, right? And this is what this is. बघा फॉर्मॅटिंग कसं करायचं तुम्हाला दाखवून ठेवतो. This is another cell. This is very easy. Final row. Now there is single cell. Okay, मला दोन कॉलमचा, दोन सेलचा एकच रो तयार करायचा आहे. When I want to merge two cells, दोन कॉलम मला मर्ज करायचे आहेत, then there is one attribute and that attribute name is exactly, very good, very good, call span attribute, absolutely right. Now I am going to add call span inside td. Call span is equal to 2. Is as simple as that. Okay, we have to save this document. Okay, file name काय दिले आपण, using table. This is a file. Let me execute this. See, output is ready. Let me add border is equals to 1, and if I execute this, then displays such type of output. Okay, align is equal to center. If I add align attribute and center value with align, then displays output like this. Okay, it shifted to the, it displays center alignment, okay, to the user. Take care, bye bye, and happy coding.